Good morning to all of you. Today we discuss the, the role of housekeeping, yeah, functions of housekeeping department in security. The housekeeping is responsible for maintaining cleanliness, but they are also have critical security responsibility, particularly in terms of ensuring the safety and privacy of guests. And key functions include the first one is guest room security. The room access control. The housekeeper are required to use master key or key cards that are properly logged to prevent unauthorized access. First, checking for tampering during room cleaning. Housekeeper should inspect rooms for signs of tampering. Example: broken locks, altered windows, theft, or damage that could compromise security. The next is ensuring locking system work. Checking that doors and windows are secure and reporting any malfunctioning locks to maintenance. The second function is personal belonging security. In this function, handling guest valuables, reminding guests to use the hotel safe for valuables and ensuring that no personal items are distributed or taken during cleaning. Lost and found handling. If a guest leaves behind valuable items, example electronics, jewelry, the housekeeper should follow protocols for security, storing and reporting them. The last one is training and awareness. The recognized species behavior, training housekeeping staff to identify species activities such as unaccompanied guests, assessing rooms or guests who appear to be in distress. Confidentiality and privacy, emphasizing the importance of respecting guest privacy and confidentiality, ensuring that staff members do not share personal guest information and with outsiders. The fourth one is access to staff areas. Securing staff rooms, the housekeeping staff should ensure that their own work areas, staff room, cleaning supplies are kept secure and unauthorized personnel are prevented from entering these areas. The next is inventory control, ensuring cleaning supplies and equipments are stored safely and not used inappropriately, as well as preventing theft. The last function is coordination with other departments. The communication with front office and security. The housekeeper immediately report any security concern. Example: damaged lock, suspicious guest to the front office or security department. The incident reporting ensure that any security incidents or observation. Example: strange behavior in rooms are properly documented and communicated. The today topic is over. If you like our content, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel RPIT Academics.